case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Tour Costa Rica versus Country Walkers Inc. is a case on promissory estoppel that unfolded in the Vermont Supreme Court in 2000. The legal principle of promissory estoppel, pivotal in the case, safeguards against broken promises if it results in harm and if the breaching of the agreement is deemed unfair. At the crux of the lawsuit, the plaintiff, Tour Costa Rica, TCR, accused Country Walkers Inc. CW, the defendant, of failing to honor a 2-year commitment to develop and operate walking tours in Costa Rica. Initially, in a lower court, a jury ruled in favor of the TCR, resulting in an award of expectation damages amounting to $22,520. However, CW was unwilling to accept the verdict, filing an appeal. Upon examination of CW's appeal, the court upheld the earlier verdict, citing TCR's justifiable reliance on CW's commitments and the substantial evidence at hand to justify the damages awarded. Notably, the court's decision was influenced by TCR's significant efforts to coordinate customized tours specifically for CW, including extensive preparations and planning. All of this was underpinned by a verbal agreement where TCR sought a 2-year commitment from CW to facilitate specialized tours financially. The final decision of the court endorsed the initial jury's verdict, awarding expectation damages to TCR. CW's appeal attempt crumbled as it had neglected to seek a ruling from the trial court on alternative remedies in a promissory estoppel scenario. As such, CW had waived its appellate rights on this issue by neglecting to raise it during the trial. Ultimately, the court's decision favored TCR, marking the conclusion of the dispute.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class